This formwork is the one producing this interlock blocks. So this is how I made my own form. Come close. So first, put it this way, and close this side, then I'll put something at the back so that it will not separate. Put it like this, then from there fill in the cement inside. Put in the cement like this. Fill in the cement now. From there, you compress it a bit. Compress. Make the surface smoother. Compress it. From there, you remove this attachment here. Then open this. Open the formwork. Then you remove it skillfully like this. Then you get the blocks, the hollow blocks.